Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We have decided to pause our current travel plans and drive for 2 days, 450 miles. Who does that?
Evidently we do.
Evidently we do. Anyways, we have decided to take the back road out of Ketchum, Idaho called Trail Creek Road. We will head northbound to Missoula, Montana and continue back to Idaho, ending in Sandpoint.
So we are headed to the Panhandle of Idaho to attend the Panhandle Overland Rally, which is the first time we've actually gone to an overland type rally. This is a small one, but it just gives us an opportunity to go see Northern Idaho, meet some like-minded folks. We actually were invited by some friends of ours that we met, and although we don't expect to really fit in, it will be kind of interesting, and it will give us a chance to see some country we haven't seen yet this summer.
Yes, so in this video we will show you our route, the beautiful drive along Montana 200, some rally pictures, our visit to Sandpoint, Idaho, the little town, quite quaint and beautiful as well, and a couple camping stops that we did, which turned out to be actually very nice, huh?
Yeah, Cheryl always finds great camping sites. She
do.
even finds some great Walmarts to go to.
Oh, Walmart's. Wait, what was the other one? Cabela's. We hit a Cabela's in Missoula. That actually turned out to be very pleasant too.
Right, but nothing beats the little tiny spot of land in the center of downtown Tacoma, right next to the railroad tracks.
We're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about that.
Everybody has a great fail.
Great. Thanks, dear.
You're welcome. Spur of the moment, Cheryl got a question from an old boondocker asking us that we were going to the Panhandle Overland Rally in Sandpoint, Idaho this weekend, and we were in Ketchum, Oregon, not really doing anything that we needed to do other than enjoying life. And so on a spur of the moment, we decided to pack up, and 2 hours later we were on the road headed to Sandpoint, Idaho. And it's about an 8-hour travel time for us, so we're doing it over 2 days because we left in the middle of the day for the first day. But we're going to go visit with some like-minded.
The Overland Rally, it should be a small event. It's not as big as the bigger expos that great time, but weather looks like it'll be good, right?
Yes, it's going to be in the mid-60s most of the time.
Mid-60s, no rain, and actually probably warmer than where we've been the last week, so looking forward to it. The rally was a good first experience for us. We met a few other misfits, meaning you're not really an overland rig, and enjoyed seeing the variety of setups with the smaller trucks, trailers, rooftop tents, camping kitchens, and their outdoor camping configurations.
The attendees were excited to meet and share ideas along with visiting the vendors that were in attendance. Backroads four-wheel drive training provided instructive courses, and there was an open, developed trail for you to actually test your skills and your rig. If you're newer to the overland world, a rally is a great place to meet with others who also like to go far away to get away, and most likely you will learn something you didn't know you needed to know. It's a great instructive place to be with some like-minded folks and people that are enjoying the same type of off-road activities that you are. I have a lunch date. Having the afternoon, we decided to do our first visit to downtown Sandpoint and have lunch. Not knowing what's really around, we just started walking to find food near the water. With 25 Idaho towns larger than Sandpoint, Sandpoint's kind of a small town, with a very appealing downtown area for shopping and dining. So don't eat here if you don't want messy food.
I love messy food.
Look how messy that is. Yum. Then we noticed a bridge, and after we ate, we wanted to see what's on the other end. It is the Sandpoint City Beach Park, which has a beautiful swimming beach and even an RV park. Oh, I saw a thrift store on the list of areas. Here's a consignment shop. It's probably more home goods though,
Yeah.
based on the name.
You know, it's the bike rack.
Oh, how cool is that? You see what that was? It's a picture of the flood in 1948 in Sandpoint. That's where we parked, in this parking lot here. We walked down just a couple blocks, turned towards the bridge, and found the burger joint there, which was really nice. Went across the bridge, tooled around the little city beach, so you'll see some of that in the pictures. And then we made our way back. We actually went to a winery restaurant place up there, but it was closed even though it's supposed to be open. And that's it. I'm back at public parking. Where's the rig? I can't miss that. It's right there. Let's go. Lake Pend Oreille is the largest lake in Idaho, and it is surrounded by forest areas and home to a variety of animals including elk, mountain goats, bobcats, and bald eagles, and many more. Our route takes us on the Montana 200 along the Clark Fork River, which is a primary inflow from the lake. We also spent a few nights camping between Sandpoint and Missoula along the river. There are a variety of campgrounds all along this stretch, and some have fees and others do not. We did camp at 2 different areas along the Montana 200, and there are YouTube Shorts videos of the campground review for you to check out. From here, we return to our original plans and start camping our way to Stanley, Idaho. Hope you enjoyed this video and you'll catch us next week. If you do like the video, please drop us a like, share it with others, and even drop us a comment below. That's actually the most favorite part of even doing these videos and posting them, is being able to read comments from you all, get questions, especially on the rig. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can keep up with where we are and what we're doing. As we mentioned in our previous video, we will be making our way back to the shop with a mile-long fix-it and upgrade list. So soon, unfortunately, it is back to working so we can get back to exploring. Take care, everyone. We'll see you next week.